Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have already shown you how you can do text summarization using Hugging Face library. In this video, I will show you how you can do text summarization from a PDF. It means that you have a text in a PDF and you want to summarize the content using that PDF using Hugging Face library. Before starting, let me give a short introduction about myself.
Welcome to AT Academy. The main motto of this channel is AI for Aam Janta. My name is Dr. Ayan Devnath. I am an IIT Delhi alumni and Fulbright research scholar at Harvard University. I have total 9 plus years of experience in the field of artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, generative AI. Let's watch this video. Welcome to my metaverse.
You can do text summarization in just 3 simple steps. In the first step, you have to install the necessary libraries. One library you have to install for reading the PDF file, and then other libraries you have to install for the summarization using Hugging Face library. In the second step, you have to read the text from the PDF file. And in the third and the final steps, you have to summarize the extracted text. Thus, it is very simple to summarize your content in PDF format. And I am going to show you how you can do this using Python. First of all, you have to install the necessary libraries. Here I am showing you. You have to install the transformer, which is from the Hugging Face library. And from this transformer, you will be importing pipeline, which is a famous pipeline. In my previous lots of videos, I have mentioned you about this pipeline. If you haven't watched those videos, then you can see, you can watch those videos, go to my description and you will get lots of links. Now, I will be introducing you to one more library, which is PyPDF2. This is useful to read the content in a PDF format. Now, you have to install this PyPDF2 and then from that you have to import the PDF reader. Now, coming to the next portion, once your installation is done, then you have to extract that text from the PDF for which I am writing a function. So this is the function. Let me tell you what this function is doing. Here, I am taking the path of the PDF. It means that you have to give the path of the PDF where you have taken the PDF file. So once you mention this, it will get the path. So it means that it will get the PDF. And now here I am creating a PDF text, which is an empty string. I am initializing this to store the extracted text. And now I will be reading that PDF in a file format in read mode, that is RB. Okay, and then this PDF reader is used for that file. It means that a PDF reader object is created by passing the file object file. This reader object which is created, this reader object has information or of different pages of that PDF. So for each and every pages of the PDF in the reader object, I will be passing a loop on all the pages. So for each and every page in that PDF, I am extracting the text and then I am pushing it to where? I am pushing it to PDF text variable. And then I am returning it. Initially, I initialized this as an empty string. Now, while I am extracting it, I am pushing it there and I am appending for each and every page. Thus, PDF text is the string variable which contains all the extracted text. So once you define this function, then you can use this function and here you just specify the PDF path. Now, once this is done, you will be using this pipeline. So this pipeline you have already imported from the transformer library of the Hugging Face. And this pipeline has different kinds of parameters which you can easily see in Google. So here, the first thing which I am giving is the task, what task it will perform. Here I am doing summarization. Apart from the task, you can give different things like which model you want to use, different things you can give. Right now, I am just giving what task I need. Only one parameter I am passing in pipeline, that is summarization. And then it is creating a summarizer model, which is an object to that pipeline. And then I am using this summarizer model on what? On that text, on that extracted text. So I am getting that text. On that text, I am using the summarizer model. And now I am giving few more parameters. One parameter is maximum length. Maximum length is 130. It means whatever summarized um, output we will have, the maximum length or maximum number of tokens or maximum number of words of that summarized output will be 130. This is a variable. You can change this variable. You can use 200. So your summarized output will have maximum word 200. Here I am giving it as 130. Now, minimum length is 30. It means that the summarized output will have minimum of 30 words or minimum 30 number of tokens. It can have more than that, but minimum I am setting it as 30. Now, do sample is false. It means that whether you want to do some sampling technique or not. So for that, you are using this. So here I am just taking it as false. So once you specify these parameters, now I will be using that summarizer model on the text and I will get my summarized text. Okay, here I have explained you these things. Now let me run it and execute and show it to you. So you have to get a text first of all. For that, what I am doing, you can get text from anywhere. Say I am going to ChatGPT and I am saying that tell me about Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, so ChatGPT will give you some contents about Sachin Tendulkar and just copy it and then paste it in a Word format and then save the Word format in a PDF format. So I have already posted the PDF, Sachin Tendulkar.pdf in my Google Drive, and now I will be reading it. So let me show you step by step. First of all, I will be installing all the necessary libraries. It might take some time to download and install few of the packages. And once it's done, I will be giving the path and let's run it. Okay, and then I will be using this path pipeline library. Okay, so let's execute it. So I'm getting that text in summarized text and let me print it. Yes, so it is printing it. Tendulkar is regarded as one of the greatest cricketer of all time. Blah blah blah. ऐसे print कर रहा है. So now this is printing like this. And if you want to see that whether it is actually summarized or not, so what you can do, you can find the length of the actual text or number of the words present in the actual text, which is 154. And now you can find after summarization what is the length of that output. That is the number of the words in the summarized text. And if you see here, it is showing 61. So from 154, it is summarized to 61. Thus, I've shown you in 3 simple steps how you can do text summarization from a PDF using Hugging Face libraries. This video I have created because one of my subscribers has demanded it, and I'm thankful that I'm able to fulfill his wish. So likewise, if you want to make me any such videos of which you want, then please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video which you want. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video with all of your friends and family members who are enthusiastic about generative AI and want to switch their career and earn a huge amount of money. See you soon in my next video.